Goodies from Jamaica. Yeah. Isn't that crazy? Hey, Drum. You know, before we moved here, the train did fall off of the bridge one time when it was super windy.
Really?
Yeah.
Because I know that happened once in Jamaica.
No, it wasn't Jamaica. It was here. It was that one on that bridge.
No, it wasn't.
Yes, it was.
Me?
Yeah. And they have food, all sort of food. They have like bao buns and stuff.
Oh, yum.
But then they also have like fried chicken and egg rolls. That's campfire sauce. You tried campfire sauce before?
What's that?
You tried campfire sauce before?
No, what's that?
I have no clue. Sauce.
Oh, it's another thing.
You can go ahead.
So you can have AP double rice.
Alright, what do you get, JP?
I usually just get the wings with either rice or fries. But I have the yakima.
Huckabucks. This is New Orleans style sky juice. See? Frozen. I gotta try one of them here. Red, blue. I don't know what to do. I don't know what the different flavors mean. It's cold, but I'm gonna get a huckabuck. Never had a huckabuck either. There's like several people out here.
Yeah.
And they got their whole little picnics shingling set up, you know.
Yep.
Goodies from Jamaica. Let me say if you have the phone order, you can drive through. But through me did I use the gift card and so. I mean I know that until me reach anyways. So and the pass me one knife or one scissors from the box here. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Me know what? Wanna know what? Yeah. Good things them from Jamaica. Yeah. Don't watch the buckle. Castor oil. Real castor oil. From Jamaica. No mix up in there, no additives. One them over here, they mixing this in there, that in there, preservatives, this, that. Nah, pure castor oil. Here, watch this. Watch this. Alright, we're gonna Rodeo's. We need to pick up a couple things. Now, chicken wings, they're on sale for 99 cents a pound. Can't make the sale up to the last day. So, let's go. Hey, watch here. All the stuff on sale, right? Of course y'all know. I came for the chicken wings. Watch here. Well, listen. This one is number one on sale. The family pack that's on sale, which is the big pack. One. Check out. See if I buy a lot of tickets. Fingers crossed.